This is one of Toyota's factories. And what we are producing here are tomatoes and strawberries. Toyota's unique production system now applied to agriculture. By moving the cultivation racks and changing the aisles, more crops can be grown within the same space. Using color charts, the perfect harvest timing won't be missed. We are also exploring ways to use factory waste heat and CO2. In a way, this is a laboratory for everyone, expanding the know-how we have cultivated into society and contributing to a better future. That is Toyota's hope.